Hi, my name is Andrew. I'm a photography teacher and you can find my teachings here in this YouTube channel. We have a lot of followers and subscribers here. Apart from that, I also teach online on this wonderful website here with an extensive collection of e-learnings that are pretty affordable and effective. Let me start by telling you this. I have many photographer friends and they fall neatly into two categories. Categories that read manuals, upgrade their skill, watch a lot of videos and read a lot. And they seldom upgrade their camera. And they use their camera and equipment extensively, beautifully. And then I have the other categories. Every year they are upgrading camera and they are sweating and cursing a lot about the models that they use. They're never happy. And the amount of time they spend learning. And that's why I like to interest you with my e-learning programs called Starting Your Photography Journey Collection. It's called a collection because it's made up of 3 products. The first in the collection is an e-learning of choosing the right camera and settings. And then the second one, how to shoot manual mode. Very effective. You got to learn this so that you can shoot beautiful pictures like a pro. And thirdly, beautiful pictures are made by great composition. That's why we have the third one in the collection called the e-learning of Art of Seeing. Together, they are just gonna cost you $35 US. And with this collection for just $35 US, you get this many video lessons. So hurry, be the first category of photographers where you're always learning and don't upgrade that much and spend your money correctly on lessons and skill and shoot great photos. I'll see you in this website soon.